Blackstone Publishing presents A Brief Natural History of Civilization. Why a Balance Between Cooperation and Competition is Vital to Humanity by Mark Bertness. This book is read by Stephen Bowlby. For Jeanette and Sarah, the strong women who have made life matter to me. Preface. Much of my life has been about the seashore. Ever since my childhood spent exploring Puget Sound, I've been fascinated with the animals, plants, and interactions that occur where the water meets the land. This fascination took me into academia and a career focused on shoreline ecology, which led me to understand these landscapes as microcosms of larger forces, that is, as evolutionary theaters replete with the dramas of natural selection, competing species, and cooperative relationships. But studying the shoreline is not all snails and fiddler crabs. Human activity has affected all of our world's ecologies. We cannot think about the interlocking effects and partnerships and battles that occur in the natural world without thinking simultaneously about the humans who are now a part of these contact zones, whether clearly present, for example, in beachfront condominiums, or invisibly powerful by causing the rising global temperatures or the spread of invasive species. We are, and always have been, just as much a part of the world as cordgrass and clams. Rather than splitting our conception of history between natural history and human history, then, I read the history of civilization as natural history, continuing the trajectory that writers such as Jared Diamond and Yuval Harari have begun. This means understanding how civilization and its products, from agriculture and medicines to political hierarchies and religious systems, have been derived from our evolutionary past within specific ecologies and environments. A natural history of civilization requires seeing each step of what we are tempted to call human progress as a response to a natural history problem. But there is more to this story, because to read human civilization through its natural history, we must know what natural history itself is, and this requires an accurate, holistic understanding of evolution. Half a century ago, evolution was largely seen as Darwinian battles of natural selection, the survival of the fittest, where change came about through competition between antagonists. This is certainly what...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?